The Tunisian grass leopard, a beautiful creature that is intensely vicious to humans. That's why it's so rare to have video of it in the wild. What a marvelous animal. It controls the grasslands. With one simple glare, the whole animal kingdom bows with respect. A pristine paw from a pretty kitty.
Go on, kitty.
Oh.
This is a paint horse. I'm not sure why it's called a paint horse. Perhaps it is an artsy breed. Nonsense if you ask me. This horse eats about 3 tons of hay and drinks 500 gallons of water each day. My miniature pony. This ladder-backed woodpecker is enjoying a pleasant day in the forest. On high alert for possible Tunisian grass leopards in the area,